supposed to have two bags, one red and one with colors. So those that have only the red one, come back over here.
Tonight was a great event here in Bell where we talked about the different resources that we have in our community relating to early childhood education, whether it's federal programs like Head Start and Early Head Start, or some of the state programs like state preschool and state childcare. We talked about that. We helped to get kids prepared for the school year by passing out backpacks. We had some community organizations come and talk about the services that they provided. The Los Angeles Unified School District was here and talked about their programs and services, so it was a wonderful night. Early childhood education is something that's very important to me. Early childhood education is something that I worked on personally for over 20 years. For over 20 years of my life, I spent devoted to early childhood education, first with the Mexican American Opportunity Foundation, and then with Plaza de la Raza Child Development Services. And I saw the impact that early childhood education had on families. I saw the impact that early childhood education had not only on children. We know about brain development. 90% of a child's brain development happens by the time they're 5 years old. It's important to me because my background is in the nonprofit sector, but specifically in early childhood education. I ran two organizations that provided early childhood education. One was specifically a Head Start organization that provided Head Start and Early Head Start to children basically 0 to 3 years of age. The second organization was an organization that provided a whole plethora of services from Head Start to Early Head Start, infants and toddlers. I've seen the impact that early childhood education has on children. I've seen the impact it has on parents and families, the confidence they gain, the involvement in the child's education that they have early on, and how that carries on throughout their child's education. In Head Start, there is that parent involvement component where the parents are involved in the curriculum, but that's not the case in state child care and state preschool. So I had a bill last year that would help to make that happen. The other bill was an equally important bill. It would help to make sure that there was a sense of cohesion for every child while they're in a preschool or Head Start program. What happens with children is they get admitted into maybe a 2-hour child care program from the state, and then they have to leave the program because they're only funded for 2 hours. And then there's another sort of a preschool program and a Head Start program. There are a number of different child care programs. Some are federal programs, some are state programs, and there's a multitude of state and federal programs. What we wanted to do with one of our pieces of legislation was to make sure that a child enrolled in a child care program had sort of a seamless transition. They could stay in the program throughout the day, receive full day child care, maybe funded through different mechanisms throughout the day, but that it was sort of seamless for the child, which is important. Those are the types of things that we've been doing in early childhood education. And that's why we hosted this event tonight, and that's why we wanted to make sure that you were aware of all of the different preschool, childcare, and infants and toddlers options that are available through the state. We're going to continue to do these types of events in the district. We're going to continue to work on early childhood education in terms of legislation, but also in terms of funding. We cut a tremendous amount of early childhood education funding over the last decade. We've started to restore some of that funding, but we have a long way to go, and we're going to continue to work on that. You know how important this is, but we want you to be able to communicate to your elected officials, to the governor's office, to other state elected officials, to let them know that child care needs to be more than 1% of our state budget. So I want to work on that with you. Thank you. I want to work on that with you. I want to work on that with our community partners. And I thank you very, very much for being here. Thank you.